Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about all the things that you can actually buy with an Apple gift card. So first, we're going to be talking about the physical Apple products and accessories category. So when it comes to hardware, you can actually purchase a iPhone, iPad, Mac computers, Apple Watch, and Apple TV devices with your Apple gift card. The second is going to be accessories. You can buy AirPods, HomePod, AirTags, chargers, cases, cables, and Apple Pencil with your Apple gift card. The third category, the second category we're going to be talking about is going to be digital content and services. First is going to be apps and games, so purchases from the App Store and in-app purchases can be done. The second is going to be media, so music, movies, and TV shows from the iTunes Store can be bought. Books, so ebooks and audiobooks from Apple Books can also be bought, and subscriptions like Apple Music, Apple Arcade, Apple TV, Apple News Plus, Apple Fitness Plus, iCloud Plus, and Apple One can be purchased with your Apple gift card. Once redeemed, the funds go into your Apple account balance, and that is how you use it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.